it's a tool of the trade. Alright, next question, trading capital. How much money do I need to get started trading? That's a question that comes up a lot. Now, in a perfect world, we'd all have about $30,000 to trade with. That would be brilliant. We'd have no restrictions on what we could trade. Of course, we trade on margin and on American stocks, which is what I trade. The margin is 4 to 1. So you can trade with effectively 4 times as much money as you've got in your account. So 30 grand in your account means you can effectively trade $120,000 worth of capital. But of course not everyone has got 30 grand lying around when they want to get started trading, and that ain't a problem because $3,000, perfectly respectable amount of money, you can get started trading with that. There are some restrictions, but nothing what can't be overcome. So $3,000, as I say, perfectly acceptable, good amount of money, you can get started with that. You can even get started trading with $1,000. Again, there are different options to suit different budgets on what kind of thing you can trade, how you can trade, how often you can trade, but $1,000, no problem. There are ways and means of trading with that. And you can even start with no money down at all. If you've got no capital, no problem. Go with some free charts and paper trade. That is simulated trading, if you like. It's a bit like learning to fly in a simulator instead of a real aeroplane. You can do the same thing with trading. Paper trade, yes, you don't get the psychological pressure of trading with real money, but you have to start somewhere, and it's a good way as any. In fact, it's a recommended way of learning the ropes of trading, if you like. So use free charts, paper trade, build up some experience, and at the same time you can be building up your capital, saving up your capital. Once you get to $500, $1,000, open an account, and by then you will have made all your rookie mistakes on paper. You will have got some experience under your belt. You'll know what you're doing, and you'll be able to hit the ground running as soon as you've got some cash. So really the answer is you can trade whatever amount of money you've got. You can get started one way or another. Alright, controversial question what comes up is why sell a course? People say to me, if you're making so much money trading, Harvey, why are you selling a course? And my answer quite simply is, well, why not? If you've got a skill and you can help other people by teaching them that skill, and at the same time you can make some extra money for yourself doing so, then why wouldn't you want to do that? Everybody wins. Seems pretty obvious. So yeah, I don't really. In some ways, I don't understand the question, because to me it seems obvious that I can help people, help them make money and make some extra money myself. But I kind of understand the question as well. So the next question that often comes up is, if that's the case, if you're making some money trading, why not give away the course for free? And there are two reasons really for that. One of the reasons, or one of the main reasons, is that I put an awful lot of effort into making the course. If you've bought the course, then you'll know that there's 4 volumes, there's videos, member videos, there's a lot of work went into making it, and there's a lot of work as well that goes into supporting customers who buy the course. People inevitably will have questions that come up, and I take pride in answering those as best I can and supporting my customers. People that buy the course, don't leave them high and dry. I do answer all their questions. And it seems reasonable to me that I should be compensated for the effort what went into creating the course and supporting the customers what buy it. And the second reason that I charge for the course is quite simply that the price is a filter. It filters out people that aren't serious. A lot of people, probably too many people really, think that they can just read a book and then start making money instantly. And of course life's not like that. It does take a bit of work and it does take a bit of effort. And I don't really want to spend my time trying to help out people that are essentially time wasters. I'm not saying everyone is a time waster, but a lot of people just have unrealistic expectations, and there's no point in me spending my time helping those people who are never really going to put in the effort. It doesn't help them, it's doing them a disservice, and it doesn't help me, and it doesn't help customers as a course, because I could be spending that time helping people who are serious. So by charging for the course, I'm filtering out people that aren't really serious and making sure that my time is spent helping those who are prepared to help themselves. So that's why the course isn't free. Alright, Next question what comes up, if you've got the secret to making money from trading, then why are you selling it? Why wouldn't you just keep it to yourself and make a load of money off that secret? Well, the answer of course is that there is no secret to making money from trading. People like to think that there's the holy grail, that there's some big secret system, some conspiracy, and that the reason they're not making money is because they don't know what the secret is. And I've talked about this loads of times in loads of videos, but once again, the way to make money from trading is to learn the basics, and then to find or make a strategy. You could buy my strategy, you could buy anyone else's strategy, or make your own strategy. It really doesn't matter. And then once you've got a strategy, just practice it and just keep practicing it until you're consistently profitable. And that's where most people fail. They fail at that final hurdle. They won't practice, won't put in the effort. And I guess if there is a secret, then that's it. The secret is to just keep going, keep practicing, put in the effort. So there you go. That's the answer to the question. Alright, those are the most common questions what come up. As I say, if you've got any more questions what I haven't answered here, then ask away. I'm happy to help. You can send me an email, harvey@daytradingfreedom.com. That's the address. Everyone should know it. It's on the website. I'm always around to answer questions. I'll always try and help. I try and reply to all emails within 24 hours. Sometimes I'm travelling, travel all over the world. There are time differences, so if you don't get an answer immediately, don't think I'm ignoring you. I do answer all questions, but sometimes with time differences or whatever, or lots of questions, sometimes it can take a little bit longer, but always happy to try and answer any questions. I hope that has been useful. If you've got more questions, ask away, and maybe cover off some more questions in future videos. Alright then.